Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn modal verbs. Modal verbs are used to express necessity, possibility, ability, obligation, permission and so on. Let's begin. Here is the list of modal verbs. Müssen means to have to or must. Können means to be able to or can. Dürfen means to be allowed to or may. Sollen means supposed to or should. Wollen means to want to. Mögen means to like. Möchten means would like to. Möchten is also conjunctive zwei of mögen, but that's a different grammar. We will understand that part later. Modal verbs are like any other verbs when we conjugate them, but they are mostly attached to another verb. In that case, we conjugate modal verb as per the subject and place it on position 2, and another verb goes at the end of the sentence in infinitive form. We do not conjugate the other verb. Now let's understand the conjugations of modal verb one by one. First modal verb is müssen. Ich muss, du musst, sie es muss, wir müssen, ihr müsst, sie müssen. You can see that the conjugations of this modal verb with singular personal pronouns, that is ich, du and sie es, is slightly different than the normal verb conjugation rules. But the plural personal pronouns, that is wir, ihr, sie and sie, they are following the normal conjugation rules. And also note that conjugation of ich and sie es is same. Zum Beispiel, muss heute arbeiten. He must work today. And as we discussed, modal verb is the main verb and that is conjugated according to the subject and placed on position 2. Another verb, arbeiten, is at the end of the sentence and it is in infinitive form. We do not conjugate arbeiten in this case. Next verb is können. Ich kann, du kannst, sie es kann, wir können, ihr könnt, sie können. Zum Beispiel, kannst du Fußball spielen? Can you play football? This is Satzfrage, means yes no question, and as per the rule in Satzfrage we place conjugated verb on position 1. That's why kannst is on position 1 here. And spielen is another verb which is again at the end of the sentence in infinitive form. Next verb is dürfen. Ich darf, du darfst, sie es darf, wir dürfen, ihr dürft, sie dürfen. Zum Beispiel, darf ich hier rauchen? May I smoke here? This is also a Satzfrage and that's why conjugated verb darf is on position 1. And another verb, rauchen, is at the end of the sentence in infinitive form. Let's understand the next modal verb, sollen. Ich soll, du sollst, sie es soll, wir sollen, ihr sollt, sie sollen. Zum Beispiel, die Kinder sollen zu Hause bleiben. Es regnet stark. The children must stay at home. It's raining hard. Wollen, ich will, du willst, sie es will, wir wollen, ihr wollt, sie wollen. Zum Beispiel, ich will ein Kleid kaufen. I want to buy a dress. Moving on to the next modal verb, mögen. Ich mag, du magst, sie es mag, wir mögen, ihr mögt, sie mögen. Zum Beispiel, sie mag Kaffee trinken. She likes to drink coffee. Or simply, sie mag Kaffee. She likes coffee. The second example is also quite self-explanatory. You don't really need another verb here. And the last modal verb is möchten. Ich möchte, du möchtest, sie es möchte, wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie möchten. Zum Beispiel, was möchten Sie essen? What would you like to eat? This is a V-Frage, and as per the rule in V-Frage we put conjugated verb on position 2. That is why möchten is conjugated as per Sie and it is on position 2, and another verb essen is at the end of the sentence in infinitive form. Now it is time for the Hausaufgabe. In the homework, you all have to conjugate the modal verb and fill in the blanks. Do leave your answers in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen.